Use this trading strategy to become a top paid trader. In the next 60 seconds, I'm going to show you how I use this exact strategy to get paid out over $20,000 a month in gross profits from prop firms. It's two very simple steps, so let's get straight into it. This strategy is called the 8 EMA trend continuation model, or the 8 TCM for short, and all we do is simply use an 8-length exponential moving average, or 8 EMA for short. By using this 8 EMA, we measure the current trend of the market and use the trend to our advantage so we can ride the wave of the trend. So if we see lower highs and lower lows being formed under this 8 EMA, then we're looking at a strong bearish trend. But if we see higher highs and higher lows being formed over this 8 EMA, then we're looking at a strong bullish trend. So like I said, whenever we find the trend, we're going to be riding the wave. So if it's a bullish trend, we enter bullish, but if it's a bearish trend, we enter bearish. So now that we know how to do step one, which is finding the trend of the market, we're going to move to step two, and it's so simple and easy, but if you get it wrong, it's going to make or break your trade. Using this example, we have higher highs and higher lows being formed over this 8 EMA, which signals a bullish trend. We have price that's located right here, and in order for us to actually enter a trade, we need two very simple things to happen. First thing we need is price to come back down to wick under the 8 EMA, or simply wick near that 8 EMA equilibrium zone. And the second thing we need to do is close over that 8 EMA, and once that happens, it'll signal that strong bullish trend still going to the upside, and we'll be able to enter. And 4 candles later, we got a nice rejection candle here. Price tried to test this 8 EMA, it respected it to come back over, and we see this wick right here. Price closed right here, and since this happened, we're finally able to get into a trade. Now that we have our entry point, we're going to target a nice 1 to 1.5 risk to reward ratio, and we're just going to let the trade play out. And as we can see, price still continued to this upside, and it continued to respect this 8 EMA, and we ended up taking profits. I made a free PDF showing you exactly which high probability setups I take whenever I trade. If you want to copy, just click the link in my bio and you can claim it there.